Alright YouTube guys, just gonna see if I can get these handlebars on real quick. I got these from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description, and we'll see how these bad boys are. I know I've seen a couple guys online. One of the things they replace on this bike is they put some bars on with a 3-inch rise. So I got me a set of bars like that. Blue because my bike needs to be a little bit different. Can't be just like everyone else's, but let's get these bars on. See how it is, and I'll put the link down in my description, and I'll let you know what I think about them. To get the grip off, I just stuck a small flat blade screwdriver underneath there, and I sprayed some basically like anything like chain cleaner or brake cleaner to get in there to break down the adhesive, and then I just kind of worked it off, and came off pretty easy. And there they are again, the bars from Amazon. Actually, they look quite nice, and actually, if you haven't done a lot of wrench work before, putting new bars on is a good way to get started. Especially easy with this bike because a lot of the controls you can just unplug them, and it's easier to, get them back on and off of the bike. So like I said, link in the description for these. They seem nice, and put a little blue on the bike, which makes it stand out a little bit. I like it. Alright, actually, I'm still waiting for my my 52 tooth rear sprocket, but really with just these handlebars, honestly, it feels like it's easier to wheelie already, and already handles a lot better with the 3-inch rise. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description for these bars, but early first impressions, I'd say these bars are pretty cool. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania. More Talaria MX4 content to come. Come ride with me. Already then. Underdog Moto Mania. Getting ready to do my first ride on the Talaria Sting MX4 with the new handlebars that I got from Amazon. Says they're for Suron. Obviously, it's more or less the same bike. My first ride already, I feel like they handle way better. So let's go out for a ride and let's see more. Right, see you guys on the road. Okay, here we go again. Same old shit, dog, just another day. Here we go again. Already with these bars, it feels way easier to pull the front wheel up. 52, 53, 54. But that's what we like, you know? We like to be able to pull the front wheel up a little easier. So let's see. Okay, not bad. I just need to keep it. So I'm at 32 miles, so let's see how long it takes me to get down to the spot. But so far I really like the higher bars. I like the way they feel early on. Obviously I don't have a lot of miles on them yet, but it feels good to have my my hands up a little higher. Okay, so on the road again. I know there's another spot to get on the ye old abandoned railroad tracks. I can't remember how far it is up, but I believe it's right up here. Probably a few more miles. Oh man, that was a fun little wheelie. Okay, yeah, I do like this little bridge. Oh yeah, nice little creek. Fun, good times. Okay. Okay. That's where I was hoping to get to. This is so smooth down here too. Yee-haw! Even this gravel ain't too bad. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, I still see it. Okay. Woo. still following me. Nice. All right. Oh shit. Okay. Alrighty then, Underdog Moto Mania here. Thanks for coming out with me. This bike feels absolutely amazing with these bars on. Easier to get the front wheel on, handles better, feels much more the right size bike for me with these bars a little higher. Feels better standing up, feels better all the way around. Thank you for coming out for a ride with me. My early impression is yes, definitely get a set of bars with a 3-inch rise. Definitely feels better, especially if you're trying to learn wheelies. With the higher rise, the wheels do come up easier. So once again, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania. Peace out, guys. Love you guys. Three, 2, 1. Woo! Fuck. Torquey little mugger. Woo! Okay. My best one ever on this bike. Felt nice. Felt nice. Woo. I will get this bike. I will wheelie this bike. God damn, man. This bike is so much fun. Give yourself a reel back, they would say. Okay. Okay. Oh man, that's great. I love that so much. Woo! Actually got air off that. Oh man, yeah, this bike's fun. Ooh, 49 miles an hour down the dirt trail. Woo. Down the gravel. Woo. That was cool. Oh man. So what do we got? 72%. Okay. Guess now we make it home. Hey guys.